So, what are these dendritic cells? Dendritic cells are bone marrow-derived cells that are found in almost all tissues. But majorly, these dendritic cells are found in those tissues that have direct contact with the outside environment, such as skin's epithelial cells and the mucosal lining of the nose, lungs, and GIT. The dendritic cells, or DCs, make up a system of cells critical to the immune response, especially T-cell-mediated immune response, as it activates CD4 T cells, which are also known as helper T cells. As we know, like other APCs, dendritic cells are also antigen-presenting cells, but these are considered the most efficient APCs, as they present antigens to T cells more efficiently than other cell types. Dendritic cells are usually divided into two main classes: the myeloid dendritic cells, MDCs, and the plasmacytoid dendritic cells, or PDCs. Myeloid dendritic cells are also called conventional dendritic cells. And these MDCs are similar to monocytes or white blood cells. They are further subdivided into two classes, where the more abundant one is MDC1, which is a major stimulator of T cells, and the less common one is MDC2, that helps fight infections caused by wounds. The MDCs secrete the cytokine interleukin-12, and they display the toll-like receptors, mainly TLR2 and TR4, for T-cell attachment. Whereas the plasmacytoid DCs resemble plasma cells, but share some features of MDCs. These cells can secrete large amounts of interferon alpha, which has antiviral activity. Now after types of dendritic cells. Let's look at the characteristics of dendritic cells that make them exceptionally efficient for the role of antigen presentation. Well, DCs have undergone some adaptations to be such good antigen presenters, such as dendritic cells have extensive dendritic processes that continually form and retract. These processes increase the surface area available for both sampling the environment for extracellular antigens and presenting to T cells. Another feature is that dendritic cells are motile, and they migrate from bone marrow to peripheral tissues, where they sample for extracellular antigens. Also, dendritic cells use toll-like receptors to detect infection. When they find a foreign antigen, they migrate from peripheral organs to the lymphoid organs, particularly to the areas where T cells are in abundance, such as the lymph nodes. Another characteristic of dendritic cells is that DCs express very high levels of major histocompatibility complex, MHC class II, which helps them present antigens to CD4 T cells. And lastly, as we know, DCs secrete cytokines, such as interleukin-12, which stimulates the helper T cells, which are the subset of T cells, and also interferon alpha, which has antiviral effects. So, all these characteristics make the dendritic cell a very efficient antigen-presenting cell.
Watch our medical videos anytime and anywhere. Download sqadia.com app now.